In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Lao chicken stew, or in Lao we call it Aw Gai. Here I have a soaked sticky rice that I soaked overnight, and I just took the rice and mixed it in with the chili peppers and the shallots. And I have some sliced green onions, chili peppers, and ginger. And here are some sliced dill and Asian or Chinese mustard greens. You can find this at the Asian supermarket or grocery store. Here I have some chicken with the skin on it that I boiled in lemongrass. I also added the ginger, the chili peppers, and the sliced green onions. After about 20 to 25 minutes of cooking, add in your crushed soaked sticky rice and chili peppers and shallots into the pot and stir. Then you're going to add some fish sauce. Add MSG, this is optional. Then add a little bit of salt. Stir and then let the stew cook for about 15 minutes. And here we have it. I added the dill and Asian mustard greens. It's ready to enjoy. This is great with sticky rice. It's delicious. It's a homemade cooked meal, comfort food that a lot of Lao people enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.